I wanted to share this amazing hummingbird view from my kitchen. It's very difficult to take video of the hummingbird because they can sense like even a small movement from a very long distance. They're very, very, very careful, very defensive. It is such a beautiful sight. Every time summertime comes, when I come to mountain, I actually put the sugar water. It's like 1 cup sugar, 4 cups water. You have to change it at least like every other week because it'll start tasting like sour if you leave it for too long. So this time I added like one more, like two. I keep the camera there ready and then take it. It's the most beautiful thing you can see. Every time I see, I manifest something because you're like completely amazed and you're out of this world. That's the right time to manifest. It's such a beautiful thing. We get like a red neck one and full green, different colors. But whenever it is like cool in the morning, they come. Before rain, they'll come. If it's too hot, they won't come. This year, I have so many hummingbirds here.